Hi viewers, how are you? I hope you all are well. Welcome back to our channel Types of Lawn in USA. Another amazing video. So today's topic is going to be very interesting for you. Watch the video completely and follow it so that you can understand it completely. So let's discuss about today's topic. What is our topic today? As you might have seen in the title of the video, what is our topic today. So before starting the video, I have a request to you that if you come to my channel Types of Lawn in USA for the first time, then subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that all my upcoming videos in futures can reach you. So let's start. What is our topic today? So our topic today is different types of lawn in USA. In this video we are discuss the board loans. Board loans are specially designed to finance the purchase of a board and are available through bank, credit unions and online lenders. The loans can either buy unsecured or secured. With secured loans, using your board as collaterals as with my vehicles related loan, it's to keep in mind. Board and other vehicles lose value over time, especially if you buy a new board. If you choose a long-term loan, do not make a very large down payment and or sell your board soon after you buy. It is possible to owe more on the loans than you can sell it for. This means you will need to keep paying off the loan even after you sell the board, and that's not an unavailable position to be in. How to works a board loan? Board loan Board loans can either be insecure or secured depending on the lenders you choose. Lenders that specialize in board loans typically offer secured loans, similar to auto loans, which means the board you are financing act as a for the loans. If you fall behind on payments or default, the lenders can repossess the board to recoup its losses. However, the collaterals make it as less risky transactions for the lenders and potentially a more affordable loan through lower rates. Alternative lenders such as the online lenders on the list offer unsecured loans that require no collaterals. These higher risk loans typically come with more qualification requirement and higher rates compared to their secured counterparts. Regardless of the type of loan you get, you will earn interest on the full loan amount and pay fixed monthly payment until the loan is repaid. Terms vary by lender but generally range from 1 to 20 years. Some lenders charge additional fees including late payments and prepayments penalties. If you want to pay off your loan before the end of the term, confirm that your lenders does not charge repayment fees before doing so. How to get a boat loan? Check your credit. Checking your credit can save you a lot of money in the long run, as it keep factor in determining your interest rate. Make sure that it's not anything fishy on your credit report. If your score falls below 607, take step to build your credit quickly before applying. Pre-qualify helps you shop around for lenders and check your rates. See if you can pre-qualify for a board loan. Pre-qualify lets you see the terms you may be eligible for board applying without hurting your credit score. However, these terms are not guaranteed until you submit a formal application. Apply for the board loan. When you have found the boat you want to buy, contact your preferred lenders and submit your full application. You will likely need to give them all of the details about the boat, such as its make and model, age, power. Pay the seller. After you get the found, send the payment over to the board seller. Remember to sign off for autopay so that you do not have to remember to make loan payments manually. Gold loans qualification requirements. Each lender sets its own requirement for what you need to get a gold loan. That's why it pays so much to shop around because one lender might offer you great rates, another lender might deny your loan entirely. In addition, each lender looks at two separate factors: your financial situation and the boat you are buying board age. I hope you understand my topic today. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.